Welcome to Queen Mary High School virtual classes. I am Mrs. Naushaba Sheikh, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to learn something new. Can you guess what's on your screen? Yes, you guess it right. The name of the poem is A Time to Believe. Let's start with the reading of the poem, A Time to Believe. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. To know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eye, and the beauty of an aging hand, for it is through their teachings we learn to love. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. When it's time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. If only we believe. If only we believe. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach. A time to believe. If only we believe. If only we believe. Then we can change the failure to success. We can achieve success after failure. A Time to Believe is a very motivational and inspirational poem. The poet has tried to explain this. Let's see. Before we start with the explanation of the poem, let's know something about the poet. B.J. Mobitzer. His full name is Robert Joe Mobitzer and his nickname is B.J. Mobitzer. He is a contemporary poet, that means a poet of a modern time. He went to Grove City High School and he has studied American history and creative writing at Ohio University. He has written many poems, as you can see in the display here. Moreover, he has been a part of TV programs like Little Big Shot, the Vietnam War, NASCAR, and films like Heaven is for Real, Vietnam, The Secret Agent film, and so on. In this poem, he is giving us the power of believing in our dreams. The poet tries to build our faith and encourages us, which is lying deep within our heart, so that we can achieve our dreams. Students, you need to write down the poem, the hard words and its meaning, along with the paraphrase and the conclusion of the poem in your notebook without fail. Now, let's begin with the explanation of the poem. 1.1 A Time to Believe. The first stanza of the poem tells us that we should never live in the past. We should always think about the present and the future. We should think the happiness which is going to come and do not rely on the happiness that was there in the past. We should always wait for the surprises and unusual things to happen in future. That means we should wait for our dreams to realize. Let them come true. The poet says in the second stanza that if we start believing, then we can believe that the angels are dancing. They are dancing among the clouds. We should also believe that the sky is full of magical things and the wisdom, that is the intellectual man, is residing on the moon. So, everything depends upon the power of believing. If you start believing, then the things will come true. Sometimes you might think that this is impossible, but you know that the word impossible also says I am possible. So, it's the time to believe and realize all your dreams. Next stanza, the poet tries to say us about the value of caring and innocence of the child's eye. You know that the children are very innocent. They selflessly love and care for everyone. And the aging hand, that means the elderly person, they also give us selfless love. And we have to learn from their experiences. It is the young and the old that teaches us the life lesson to love others selflessly without any selfishness or greed. We should always believe that we are never alone. There is a courage deep inside our heart. We only need to strengthen them and bring it to the forefront. We have to collect all the broken pieces and come back to normal. We need to find within us the courage to fight back after a disaster and start all over again. If you fail in any one subject, do you lose hope? No, child, you shouldn't do it. You should gain courage, gain the strength within you, and come back like a warrior and fight it and achieve the goals. This poem teaches us to find the courage within us and come back. We need to combat with our failures and turn them into success. This life is a gift of God. We should be very thankful to God for giving us such a beautiful life. We should believe in all the good things. We should think that we are never alone. This poem is very inspirational and motivational. It motivates us to believe in ourselves, to believe that we can make a change. We can change the failure into success. It tells us that the success is just an arm's length away. It is very, very close to us. Just need to stretch our hands and grab it and fulfill all our dreams. It's going to be true if only we believe. Many a times it happens with us that whatever goals we have set are very hard or difficult to achieve them. But it's not so. Never give hopes. Always give your best. Because if you believe in yourself and patiently wait in the hope, then definitely you are going to achieve your dreams and your dreams are going to be realized. They are going to come true as they are just an arm length away. That means you can just stretch your hand and grab the opportunity. This life of ours is a very beautiful gift to us from God, and we should very, very be thankful to Him and take care of our life. This poem gives us positivity, courage, hope, believing in ourselves to complete our dreams, to achieve our dreams. This poem helps us to gain faith and believe and get whatever we want or desire. It tells us that nothing is impossible only if you dream and you believe in your dream that it's going to come true. Never lose hope. Life is full of surprises and unusual things, and definitely God is going to give us the best of the opportunities. The poem says us to only believe in better things, in good things, so that we can change our life for good. Every cloud has a silver lining is a very beautiful idiom which tells us that from a worst to worst situation we can find positive and good things from it. I hope students you understood the poem very well. Now let's start with the appreciation of the poem, A Time to Believe. Appreciation of the poem means that we are going to recognize the good quality of the poem. A Time to Believe. Now in this poem, as you know very well, that the title is A Time to Believe and the poet is B.J. Mobitzer. His full name is Robert Joe Mobitzer. Now the central idea of the poem, that is the theme behind the poem. The poem tells us to have a positive approach, to think positively, and to believe and have faith that the best is yet to come. It also says us to be very strong and courageous and look ahead for better future. That means the poem believes in good things, tells us not to lose the hope. Now the rhyming scheme, as we see that there are no rhyming words in the poem, it is a free verse and there is no rhyming words or the rhyming scheme. Next come the figure of speech. In this poem, the poet has made a very good use of the figure of speech to add the beauty.
Synecdoche.
In this poem, the figure of speech
used for a part instead of a whole.
Synecdoche means that
In this
a
line,
part
we
is
understood
used
that
instead of a whole.
aging hands.
Aging hands
That means
elderly
hands
person.
just
But
it is a
here,
part. It is
only
used
hands
for
are
a
used instead
whole
of the
body, whole
person.
person. That is a elderly person. There are also other figure of speech such as personification
And alliteration. The next special feature is the epigram. It gives the beauty to the poem. Epigram means that it is a witty statement used in the poem. My favorite line is, to believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Last but not the least, we need to mention that why do we like this poem. So, we like this poem because it is very inspirational and motivational. It conveys us a message to believe in our dreams and achieve them. My favorite line